What's up, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor, here with Tim Bowen, lead trainer of Stocks to Trade. We're talking about something that too many of you guys don't take into account on your trades. What time of day is it? A company is a very different company. A stock is a very different stock, whether it's at 10 a.m. or whether it's at 3 p.m. Eastern. What's your take?
I think most of the watchers of this video are probably new or growing traders, and I think...
What's a watcher of a video?
Well, it's
like
somebody
a viewer?
A viewer. It's a lot like a viewer, but slightly different, you know.
Watch and learn. Don't view and learn.
That was a little bit of a flub up. Thanks for pointing it out.
Keep it going.
Anyway,
Keep it going. You're new at this. You just got done shaving.
I think a lot.
He already grew his beard back.
A lot of newer and aspiring traders kind of focus on the market open because there's so much action. You know, they ring the bell and the bulls and the bears all come running out. There's all this stuff going on. But I think there's a lot of random moves in that. And it's great to watch the open, track your tickers, make your plans, focus on what you're going to do in the day. But I think the way to consistency is to let things kind of shake out through the day and look for those post 2 p.m. moves.
Time of day is very important. At the market open, like, you can make a lot of money fast, but you can also lose a lot of money fast. You have to be really prepared. If you're going to buy a stock near the market open, I don't care how good the news is. I don't care, if it's a pump and dump and it's crashing and you want to short it. Like, it's a seesaw so quick. Within like 1, 2, 3 minutes, you might make or lose 10 or 20%. So you need to have that going in. A lot of newbies are like, oh my God, trading's crazy. Versus if you buy, let's say, a stock breaking out to new day highs over the morning high at 3 p.m. Eastern on good earnings or, some new product or a technical breakout, it's a lot slower, okay? And that's good and bad.
Yes,
you can make money really quick.
But I think, if you're new and you're struggling with discipline, slower is better. I mean, you get those crazy volatile moves. Tim will like this reference, but you end up like a deer in a headlight and you make poor decisions because you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down, and you start getting very panicky.
Like why will I like that? What does that mean? Why does it matter?
I thought you would like it.
Because I like deer? Because
yes.
I don't like to kill deer and you like to kill deer? Is that what you're talking about?
No,
Was that you were inferring?
No, not at all.
He kills animals. Just throwing that out there. Don't be a deer in the headlight, because then Tim Bowen's going to slaughter you for fun. Then he's going to laugh about it. Then he's going to debone you and eat your meat. That's if you're a deer in headlights. If you are planning ahead, you're not a deer in headlights. There's no animal reference whatsoever, so there's nothing for him to kill. And then it's you killing the market. So would you rather be killed by Tim Bowen or would you rather kill the market? Those are your options. Leave a comment just below. I would like to be killed by Tim Bowen, or I would like to kill the market. Whatever you like. I mean, there's weird people out there. Some people didn't have a good childhood. Tim Bowen can solve your problems very quickly.
Or instead of leaving that comment, maybe perhaps mention a comment or a question you would like us to discuss in the next video.
No. Ignore him. He hasn't made as much money as I do. I take priority and seniority here. Whether you want to be killed by Tim Bowen like a deer, or do you want to kill it in the market? There's no one magic formula. This is another thing. Like, in certain markets, we've seen stocks that spike over and over near the market open, especially in holiday trading, Friday morning
low
trading,
float stocks,
hot sectors, sector stocks, shipping stocks, Chinese stocks. Like, it pays to buy near the market open. And if you wait until the afternoon, there might be no move. But you just have to be aware, because a lot of times, right now we're filming this on a market holiday. Yesterday could be considered as like a market holiday type trading. There were a lot of spikers. All of them failed.
Yep, everyone.
So it's not an exact science. If you are going to buy near the market open, they might spike huge.
But what I like about that is, again, as that newer trader, if all of those morning spikers fail, you're not trading because they didn't give you that confirmation of that move. If you're under the PDT, you're trying to save your trades, you're trying to focus on consistency. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. So if there's all these morning spikers, they all die, they all crack, they all break down.
Who said that?
Then you can look to trade the ones that survive or just not trade.
Who said that phrase?
Ernest Hemingway.
This guy, that is my phrase, and you said it as if it was your own. I'm not here to be killed by Tim Bowen, okay? I am here to kill the market and come up with sayings. And when I come up with a saying, you attribute it to me.
Okay,
it goes for all of you guys. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. But also, think about this. 4 or 5 morning spikers failed yesterday. What if you're a short seller? What if you like ducks and Gratani and you like shorting morning spikes? There's opportunity there.
Yep.
There's so many different angles in this niche. Some people say like, oh, should I do this? Should I do this? Try everything.
Yeah, but track it. But track it. You know,
try everything and track it. Don't just have a loss and then forget it and be like, no.
Because you know, I love the afternoons. I think they're more consistent. But like Tim mentioned,
and they're boring.
Well, they are boring, but that's what I like. But anyway, guys like Gratani and Ducks, they love shorting those morning spikers, but they've also got experience and they've tracked and they know that's what works for them. Write it down. We did another video about trading journals. When you're writing in your trade journal, whatever happened, you bought here, you sold here, this was the profit and loss, put the time down and then keep track of that and see what works for you.
We can talk about this stuff all day. You have to watch the market. You have to watch these stocks in play. But just remember this video lesson. Next time you're trading near the market open, say, oh, I remember trading with the Tims. Like, you know, this stuff moves quick. Or you might see something break out or break down in the afternoon and be like, oh, I'm going to watch this and it might be a little slower. Start to experience it, see it in real time, because we can talk, but you're still not going to necessarily learn. It really helps to learn in real time. And then have these videos in your mindset in the background. Again, leave a comment just below. Would you like to be killed by Tim Bowen like an animal, a defenseless animal that he likes to murder and then laugh about later with his children? Or would you like to kill it in the market? Your choice. Leave a comment below. This has been Trading with Tim and Tim. One of them is a murderer, one is not. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.